Tired of boring signs and want to add a truly personal touch to your Minecraft builds with eye-catching letter banners? Creating custom banner letters in Minecraft is surprisingly simple and opens up a world of personalization for your bases, shops, or even just for fun signage. Let's dive in. First, you'll need a loom. This is your primary crafting station for all banner customization. Place your blank banner into the left-hand slot of the loom. Next, select a dye for your background color. Pick any color you like, from vibrant reds to deep blues. Place your chosen dye into the right-hand slot of the loom. Instantly, your banner will sport this new background hue. This is your canvas. Now for the letters, the loom offers a variety of preset patterns that, when combined with different dyes, can form recognizable letters. For example, to make an H, you might use a horizontal stripe pattern. Experiment with the different patterns available. The trick to making clear letters is to layer these patterns carefully. You'll be using multiple dyes and applying patterns in sequence. For a simple letter like N, you might start with a diagonal pattern, then add a horizontal stripe in the middle with another dye. Think of it as pixel art, but with banner patterns. Keep adding patterns and changing your dye colors until your desired letter is clearly visible. Don't be afraid to go back and change a pattern. If it's not working, you can remove patterns by simply placing a new one over the top, overriding the previous design. This allows you to correct mistakes or refine your letters. Once you're happy with your creation, simply click on the banner in the loom's output slot to collect it. You can then place this personalized banner anywhere in your world to proudly display your custom letters, spell out messages, or add a unique decorative touch to your Minecraft adventures.